Hi there, here's Tati from Aimeos. Today I would like to explain how to create a new seller account in an Aimeos marketplace setup. I assume you've already bought and installed the Aimeos marketplace extension and configured it according to the README file. Log into the admin interface with your super user account you have created during the installation of Aimeos. In my demo setup, you can see in the site selector there are already 2 sellers created, and we will add a third one. Click on Locale and Sites in the Advanced navigation to open the Sites panel for managing the subshops. Select the default site in the site tree and click on the plus button above the tree to create a new site below the default marketplace site. Enter a unique code and a label. Do not use spaces in the unique code, only use regular characters and dots. For the code, you can also enter the name of a subdomain or a full qualified domain name. For domains and subdomains, your marketplace must be configured according to the Aimeos documentation for multiple stores. The Adapt the Routing section describes the necessary configuration for domain and subdomain routing. Click on the Save button to create a new subshop, which is then shown in the site tree. The site selector in the navigation also contains a new site now. Click on Seller 3 to switch to the new shop site. This is important before you continue because the new seller account must be created in that subshop. Otherwise, your seller won't be assigned to that subshop and won't be able to add products. Switch to the Customers panel and click on the plus button in the top right corner of the list header to create a new account. Enter an email address, password, and choose Editor as user groups. Editors have limited access to manage products, for example, while administrators have full access and can also change payment options. Select the language, enter a last name, the city, and the country, and save your new account. Now log out and log in again using the email address and the password of the newly created user account. You are now logged in a new Seller 3 subshop and can create new products for that site. These products will then be shown on the marketplace and in the subshop of Seller 3. I have made a video how to create products as seller in the marketplace. You can watch it now. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. See you. Your Tati from Aimeos.